So today you're going to do Wally's Watertown window washer. And in your videos, you're going to watch Amanda Bean's Amazing Dream first. Then you're going to watch a video that just reminds you of what arrays are, because I think I don't know, some classes, I don't think they did arrays because of what I'm seeing in your work. So I just wanted to review that. And if you look at your assignment today, Wally the window washer. Wally lives in Watertown, where he is responsible for cleaning all of the windows in the town. Wally the window washer, he cleans the windows of the school, the post office, the government buildings, stores, and more. And can you see the arrays? Some of the windows are made up of lots of little windows, like the ones at Watertown School. Today, Wally is washing the windows at the school. So, what do you notice about the windows on the school? Well, Luca noticed that there are 3 different types of windows. Notice that the panes are different sizes. Right here, you need to type, what do you notice? If you don't, it's wrong. You have to answer the question. Think how many window panes. Here there are some windows on the second floor of Watertown School. Can you show 2 different ways to make equal groups with these window panes? You can move the red stretched loops to show equal groups. So there's 2 ways to show this. And you can use the red loop. If you want to make your own loop, that's fine too, though. Luca's strategy. Drag and drop the labels to describe Luca's strategy. You can use more than one. So what did Luca do? Here's her red loops. What is her strategy? Is she doing 5 groups of 3? Is she doing 5 plus 5 plus 5? Is she doing 3 groups of 5? Is she doing 3 plus 3 plus 3? There's only 2 that go in that box, not all of them. Write the multiplication expression that describes Luca's thinking. If you're not sure, go back and rewatch the video explaining what arrays are. So it shows you how she's grouping it. Then Y strategy. Drop and drag, which ones go with his? Now his strategy is different. And only 2 of these belong in the box. And then you're going to write the multiplication sentence for what he is thinking. Then, how did you solve it? Go ahead and show me with number, words, or if you draw it on a paper, you can put it in that box right there, the image. Now, how many window panes are in Watertown School? Show your thinking in pictures, numbers, or words and type below. So this is a different set. How many window panes are on the front of Watertown School? So now you want all of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many water panes are on the front of that school? Show your thinking with numbers or words that you solved. Okay? You each have a copy of this, so when you turn it in, here's one of the things I've noticed. When you go to copy a link, you need to make sure you give me access. I have a lot that I can't see. If I can't see it, I'm just going to give you a C. I'm not going to give you an E because it will kill your grade. But if I can't see it, I can't give you an A. And then when I click on submit assignment, if you wanted to write all this on paper and just turn in a file upload, you can take a picture and it goes here. If you just want to type in what you did, you can do it here. Here's where it's tricky. Now, see all these that come up? That is not it. None of those are it. A lot of you are clicking on one of them and it's an old assignment. So you have to right click and click paste. So it puts the link that I just copied. Did you see all those links that I could copy? All of those were wrong. So you have to be really careful because a lot of you are sending me the same assignment over and over and over again. Some of you are sending me stuff I got in like the first week of school. And Google's smart. It remembers what you did and it tries to make it easy for you, but it doesn't end up being easy for you. Okay? And then when you submit, okay, you get your confetti that you submitted your assignment, you know that you did it right. Okay? Now, when you're like, dude, how do I know? How do I know? You can check your grades, okay? And when you come up with grades, see if it's missing. I know it's missing. You can check your grades all the time. See how many I'm missing, my test student? Ooh, hundreds chart subtraction lesson. Okay? I have you can tell if it's graded or not. A lot of yours won't say missing because I didn't put due dates on it because due dates were shutting things down. So if this is your score right here, if you have a line, that means you didn't do it and you have to do it. Okay? So a lot of you need to check. And I put comments on it. So right here, this is your overall grade. But see how it separates your grades so you know how you did? Now, I'm a test student, so I have 100% in my ELA. That's your reading. This is math. There's social studies and science. So it gives you an overall grade at the bottom. But if you want to know how you're doing in language arts, math, it's all there. It's divided up for you. Okay?